Good day and welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. Today we are going to look at Scamper, a creative thinking and problem-solving technique used to generate new ideas or solutions by transforming existing ones. Bob Eberle developed Scamper in the 1970s as a structured approach to brainstorming. It is widely used in creative thinking, design thinking, innovation and product development to encourage more imaginative solutions. It encourages you to look at things from different perspectives, allowing you to rethink a product, a process, or a concept by making systematic changes to it. Scamper is an acronym that stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse or rearrange. By asking focused questions, Scamper forces you to rethink assumptions and constraints and helps stimulate new ideas. Let's first look at all the elements and then an example. Number 1. Substitute. What can you substitute or replace in the current product or idea? For example, can you change materials, the process, or ingredients? Number 2. Combine. What can you combine to create something new? Can you merge two ideas, processes, or products to make a new one? Number 3. Adapt. How can you adapt or modify something to fit new conditions? For example, can you adjust the design or purpose to meet different needs? Number 4. Modify, also magnify or minify. Can you modify, increase or decrease in the existing solution? Can you alter the size, the shape or the features to improve it? Number 5. Put to another use. Can the ideal product be used in a different context or for another purpose? Can you find a new market or application for the existing product? Number 6 is eliminate. What can you eliminate or remove to simplify or improve the concept? Can you remove unnecessary parts or steps? Number 7. Reverse or rearrange. Can you reverse, rearrange or rearrange to make something new? Can you change the order or structure of the elements to produce different results? Next, an example. Let's say you are thinking about redesigning a water bottle. Here is how Scamper would work. Number 1. Substitute. Replace plastic with a biodegradable or recyclable material. Number 2. Combine. Combine the water bottle with a built-in compartment for storing a snack. Number 3. Adapt. Adapt the bottle to use in extreme outdoor conditions. For example, adding an insulation feature for hot or cold drinks. Number 4. Modify. Make the bottle smaller, more compact, or increase in size to hold more water. Number 5. Put to another use. Use the bottle as a traveling mug or thermos when not needing a water bottle. Number 6. Eliminate. Remove the cap and make a one-piece design for easier use. Number 7. Reverse. Rearrange the design so that the bottle's opening is at the bottom and the base is at the top, making it easier to drink from in specific situations. By going through these steps, you can come up with many creative ways to reinvent or improve your original idea. Join me again for Mrs. Bam's Study Notes.